Hey there, so glad you're here at Julie's Wreath Boutique because tonight I want to show you my ribbon haul from the Wreath Shop and Trendy Tree. These are two great places to shop for exceptional ribbon and exceptional quality. So I wanted to show what I bought and a few little extra things that may or may not be ribbon. So let's get started. I don't normally do this here on YouTube, but we're doing it right now, okay? So what I'm going to show you are two orders that I made to Trendy Tree and to the Wreath Shop. It's mostly ribbon. It's kind of a ribbon haul, really. But I wanted to share it with you guys to share what you can get at these places. They're great companies to work with. I have their links down below. They are my affiliate links. And so when you purchase from one of my affiliate links, that helps me to continue to bring content to you. Okay, so look at my messy craft room. If you haven't watched this video, you're going to want to watch it. I will leave this link down in the description box below. And also there's a kit that Trendy Tree put together for us. So you're going to want to watch that one. We did that a few weeks ago at the beginning of October. So let's deep dive into this box of goodies here so we can look at the ribbon together. Okay, so we're ready to start. There's two ribbons right here. You can get these from Walmart. Isn't that beautiful? It is $12.98 and it is 4 inches by 15 feet. I got this, again, it's in my Walmart storefront. I will leave the link down below. If you haven't been to Sam's Club, this is their 5-inch. Now, is this real quality? Is this like as good as something I'm gonna pull out of here? No, it's not. But if affordability is what you want and you don't mind wrestling with the ribbon a little bit, because you're going to wrestle with this because it's not as structured, this is a great find too. So check out Sam's Club. All right, so let's see what Trendy Tree has and what I bought to use in wreaths and the decor for Christmas here in Julie's Wreath Boutique. All right, so one of my first favorites here, I've been looking for like a navy blue velvet. Oh, would you look at that? That has silver, but it has this really pretty navy blue velvet. It's a 4-inch, and this is, I think it's 30 feet. Yeah, it's 10 yards. And that is just the quality with this. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but understand when you're buying something like this, you are getting a little bit better quality. So when you make a little loop, it's going to come out better and it's going to hold its shape a little bit better too. So this right here is beautiful. I'm wanting to do a blue and white Christmas tree in my dining room this year. I really love the toile look. And so I'm trying to use that as my inspiration for my dining room. So I'm probably going to put this in my dining room. All right. So another blue color I got. We'll see if I use this one or not. This is more of a, it's kind of a royal blue, but not. I don't know how to explain it, but it's got a really pretty satin backing. And I love this like 1 inch. Is this 1 inch or 7/8? Yeah, this is 1 inch by 10 yards. And I love this type of ribbon right here. So this is my new favorite trend, is the 1 inch ribbon, the 7/8 ribbon. And I feel like it adds a lot of texture to your project. So this is a must have. I really like it. All right, so the next one, I got 2 rolls of this because you just can't have enough of this. And when I opened my box to the Wreath Shop order that I made, and this is all ribbon that I purchased myself, okay? But I don't know if I added this to that order too, but okay, it's all right. I can use it. It's beautiful, 1 inch. Let me see, is it 1 inch? 7/8. I get my inches mixed up. So that's a 7/8. It's almost an inch. And it's beautiful, and it has like a black satin on the back. It's wired. This is gonna be beautiful on my Christmas tree, on the swags going up my staircase. I just love I feel like this is a more dainty feel, but it has the good structure of the wire, and it's gonna make a nice bow, and it's gonna hold its structure, which I really like, because I really like the wire. Okay, so I got 2 rolls of that, 10 yards each. Gonna have plenty to do. Let me show you a couple other things that I got in accordance with that. I got a black, this is a velvet. I think this is a little bit cheaper. of ribbon. It's not quite as luxurious, but if you're looking for a good 1.5 inch kind of velvet outdoor ribbon, that's going to be a good one for you. But look at this ribbon. Now this ribbon here, I looked at it on the computer screen, but really in person, it doesn't do it justice. Isn't that beautiful? So it's got the really beautiful gold and kind of silvery design. So it's got gold and silver in it, but oh my goodness, that is going to be a stunner on a wreath, a tree, your swags, whatever you want to put on. That's beautiful. This would be gorgeous with like gold wrapping paper and then make a nice bow for your gift. Very nice. That's going to be 10 yards too. All right, so what else is in here? I thought I had another black one. Oh, I do. Okay, so this is another black, beautiful. It's not velvet, but it's so pretty. Isn't that pretty? So what I was thinking, you take this one, you make a loop, you take this one. Oh, we're getting into it here. We make a loop, and then we do some with this 1 inch or 7/8 of an inch. Let's just put that together. I don't want to lose it all, but everything just fell. That's okay. That's all right. But that's what you're going to look at. Okay. So I think that's beautiful and I love it. Okay. So we're not done. We've got a few more ribbons to go. The next is this really pretty kind of like, I'm not sure what they call it. Dupani I think is a name, but it's, yeah, Dupani wired ribbon. And I think that's like a fabric, but it's so pretty. And I just, again, I love the smaller width of ribbon to add like a little bit of pop of color, just to add a little bit of something, and it's nice and wired. So this is a great ribbon. Then I grabbed this. I have a feeling I may have ordered this from the Wreath Shop too, but this is a really kind of a gray blue velvet. And again, I couldn't look at that. I mean, she's so pretty with a little bit of silver trim. Had to have her. Again, these would make wonderful bows for, you know, when you want to give somebody a special gift. You know, it's a special gift and it's not just something like a pair of shoes or a pair of socks or underwear from grandma. You know, you want it to look special. So why not dress it up a little bit and then save the ribbon for next year? My grandma did that. We saved the bows. You remember the little bows that you get and that has a little sticky? She used the same bows year after year, okay? So if she can do that, we can save the ribbon and do that, okay? So here's another one I wanted to see. I'm saving my most favorite ribbon for last. You're not going to want to skip this because this ribbon literally almost had me crying. And I'm going to tell you why. But this is a really pretty Merry Christmas piece. I'm not sure if you're going to see that the right way. I don't think it's going to come across Noel. But I think that's so pretty. I love that look. Then we got a gold and cream here. Again, it's really pretty. That's the way it looks. 10 yards, 2.5 inches. Nice. Then we have a little bit more of that Dupani style ribbon. It has like a grain in the material. And I just think that's a ribbon you can use all year. You know, for spring, for summer, to add a little bit of green. That's what you need. Again, these are all 10-yard rolls versus, you know, with Walmart, you're not going to get 10 yards every time you buy a roll. They're going to do a smaller yardage, but majority of everything that you get from the Wreath Shop or Trendy Tree is going to be the 10-yard rolls, which I feel like is a better deal. Okay, so here's a really pretty red, and I love the gold trim. So this is going to remind you of the satin or the velvet, of the red velvet that you take outside, but isn't she pretty? I mean, she's really pretty. Okay. And then we have, of course, had to get some gold glitter. You know, got to get that. That's a good staple to have on hand. But this is my favorite. This is the last ribbon that I'm going to show you from Trendy Tree. Again, go down to the description box below. My link for Trendy Tree is down there. I will try to maybe get some of these ribbons and make links for you. But if you just go to Trendy Tree and you start searching the ribbon, you're going to find all this stuff. Okay. This is my favorite. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let me tell you why that's my favorite. Now, I saw this on the website and I was like, oh, that's pretty, but honestly, she's even more beautiful in person. The reason why I like this is my mother loved red cardinals. And in my backyard, I have bird feeders and I have red cardinals. And so it always makes me think of my mom. And at Christmas time, I have some red cardinal ornaments and it's just something very special. But what I also liked about, look at that greenery. That's like a eucalyptus, and I can definitely get some of that greenery from Trendy Tree or the Wreath Shop and put together a beautiful wreath to really make this a showcase. So if you love cardinals, this is the ribbon you need to get. You need this in your life. And again, it's 10 yards. So let's open our box from the Wreath Shop. All right, so we're back, and now we're gonna get focused on the Wreath Shop. Again, links will be down in the description box below, and you can check them out. If you use my affiliate link, I may earn a little bit of something, but it does help support my channel. So if you watch me every week and you order supplies, consider using my affiliate link. So let's look at what I ordered. I also, when I said the gray from the other one, this is more true gray. This is a velvet gray with a satin backing. And so I got out this and I looked at the back of this. This one is from Trendy Tree. This one is from the Wreath Shop. So the one from Trendy Tree is definitely a blue color, and it does say on the label it's blue, not gray. So you can kind of see the difference. So if you're going for a little bit more gray, you're going to want this one. But I love it. I love both of them. They're great. So the next thing that I ordered, now the rest here that I have are all 2.5 inch or smaller. So we don't have any more 4-inch. But I thought this was a really pretty ribbon. I don't know about you, but I feel like creams and rose gold and mauves have really made a comeback, and I just really love that look. And so that's pretty. Back to the pink theme, I found this, and when I saw this, I thought, oh, that would be so cool for Valentine's. So I thought this was a really pretty ribbon. And it just is a nice, it's from the company RG ribbon, really great ribbon, and it is really great ribbon. Again, this is really pretty. It's got that kind of hot pink and gold print on it. So love. Then I got one of these. I had ordered one of these before, and I ordered another one because I love the gold in the background and the off-white velvet. I just don't think you can go wrong with this. This is by Regency. So whenever you see ribbon on Trendy Tree or the Wreath Shop and it's by Regency, know it's going to be really good quality. Okay, so what else do I want to show you? I wanted to show you these two ribbons. I didn't really necessarily get these ribbons to make bows for like wreaths or anything, but I just love the daintiness of these. This one is a light gray, one is a dark hunter green, and I'm thinking presents and just adding a little bit of ribbon to something like little strands. These would be perfect. And these are actually 3/8 by 10 yards. So this is going to last you a long time, especially if you're wrapping it for Christmas presents. All right, so the next few things, I have just a few more things to show you. I have a really fun thing to show you at the end here, so don't go away. I thought this was a really pretty gold ribbon. Isn't she beautiful? Again, by the Really Great Company for great ribbon. And it's going to be really nice, and it's going to hold your structure to whatever bow you're making really, really well. Perfect. Then I have some blues. What I'm kind of like leaning towards are more blues, and what I'm seeing in decor is a lot of blues. So I grabbed several of these blue prints, and so this has got white and gold and navy blue. I think that's a really pretty ribbon, and I think it would make a beautiful wreath. Then you could pair it with some of these, one of these, okay? Again, another one. They're not by the same brand. This is the Really Great Ribbon brand, but isn't that beautiful? Again, gold and blue. I love the look. So if you put these two together, I think those would look great. I think that would be really pretty together. But this one is probably my favorite one that I purchased that has the blue and gold in it. And that's this one. I feel like that looks very rich and ornate. And I just love the deep blue in it. I just can't say enough about this. And again, this is by the RG Ribbon, Really Great Ribbon Company. Again, you're going to get good products from them. Then this has got a little bit of white and kind of champagne glitter. I'm kind of looking at that. So what I would probably put this with is maybe these two. I think those two would look good because this has white, and I think maybe with a gold or a champagne ribbon with that would be really pretty. I almost forgot about a few ribbons. All right, so let's look at 4 more ribbons that I got from the Reshop. Now, I bought several rolls of each of these because, again, these are great ribbons to have on hand for decorating and for wreaths and for doing the packaging, for gift wrapping. I don't know, can you see the glitter there? And then we, of course, got the gold, but this is white and it has a glitter as well. Again, very economical and just really nice. I bought 2 rolls of each of these. Then we also bought another, they had cardinals as well. And I think that's really pretty. I feel like this is a little bit more Christmassy and the other one is a little bit more of a spring or summer cardinal. But I thought that was really, really pretty. And it's got a lot of white little snowflakes that you might not come up on the screen. Then we also got some of this red ribbon with the gold. It matches that pink. But again, it's just great ribbon. Isn't she pretty? Again, you could use this for Valentine's Day. When you're buying any type of red ribbon or pink ribbon at Christmas, keep in mind you can use it for Valentine's Day too. And then the last ribbon I'm going to show you is just a really pretty, like, it's got a little bit of wire in it, but it's just like a really delicate snowflake weaved ribbon. And I just love the look of that. Again, 10 yards each on all of this. So a great value for it. Now, I did pick up about 6 or 7 of these really pretty ornaments. This is kind of a mauve-ish color. I'm going to add these to my big tree in my living room. This is by Regency. Again, a little bit better of a quality here you're going to get, but it's beautiful. I love this. I got a bunch of these. Now, this is what I wanted you to stay around for the end. In this, now I just wanted to show you the packaging, okay? So this is the difference between what you would get from the Reshop, and if you ordered something like this on Amazon, it's going to be vacuum sealed, and it's going to be a little wrinkled. When I got mine last year, she was a little wrinkled. So I just wanted to show you the difference here. And I feel like this one is a little bit bigger. So you get the little head. Isn't she pretty? Am I giving you a hint of what's coming? Yes, I am. I am. So we got the little head, comes with it. And then you got the 2 little legs. And then the 2 little arms, okay? And you know what? Let me hold on and I'm going to grab what I used from Amazon for you to kind of see the difference. So we made this little girl on Amazon last year. We're going to remake her for here on YouTube, but let's just show you the difference in the head. Do you see that? This one still has a lot of wrinkles in it, but that's okay. She's still cute. And then the same thing with the legs. You're going to get a bigger leg and you're going to get a bigger, about the same size arm. Okay, so we're going to be making that on YouTube here soon. So make sure you're subscribed because I teach you all the things here on YouTube. But I got this striped mesh. So let's open this up so we can truly see what she looks like. And I just thought she was so pretty and I love the pink. Give me some pink any day. So we're going to use this. We're going to incorporate this into our little girl here. But we're going to have a lot of fun. So make sure you're subscribed. If you are interested in any of these ribbons, any of these products, I highly recommend the Reshop and Trendy Tree. I've been working with and ordering from these companies for years, and the links for them will be down in the description box. But I hope you like this, like a little impromptu video. And if you like this one, let me know down below and we'll do more. So we'll see you later and have a wonderful day and keep crafting. Bye-bye.